Hello everyone, my name is Nolan with BMW of Lafayette, and today I'd like to show you some key differences between the BMW i4 and the Tesla Model 3. We've had a lot of interest in both of these vehicles, so I wanted to clear up some differences between the two. Now, aerodynamics are very important for electric cars to help maximize range, and you'll notice both of these cars feature an aerodynamic front end design. The Tesla features some bulbous styling up front to let air easily go over the vehicle to help improve range and efficiency. Now on the BMW, we can see a sculpted front end featuring the iconic kidney grills and air breathers to allow air to be directed around the vehicle and help cooling of the tires and brakes. Both the Tesla and the BMW feature an upscale interior. The first thing you notice in the Tesla is its minimalistic design language. I'm only seeing 2 buttons throughout the entire vehicle and a lot of piano black trim down here in the center. Pretty prone to fingerprints and scratching. Now we can't sit in the Tesla without talking about this screen. For better or worse, all vehicle functions are integrated into this central screen. Let's change the radio station, for example. 1, 2, 3 presses just to change the radio station. That's time that your eyes are off the road. Stepping inside the i4, you notice the driver-oriented cockpit, and everything inside is made of quality materials, from the available open-pore wood trim to the deviated stitching on the door panels. Now, BMW has left you some physical buttons for necessary items like your heated steering wheel and your radio volume. Let's try to change the radio stations. All I have to do in the i4 is use the scroll wheel here, and via the available heads-up display, I can change radio stations without taking my eyes off the road for a moment. Aerodynamic styling carries around to the side and rear of both vehicles. Let's take a look at some key differences. On the i4, we'll find aerodynamic rear end styling, including a rear diffuser to help improve range and efficiency. The rear diffuser also helps to emphasize the sporty character of the i4. You'll notice both cars feature aerodynamic wheel design and aerodynamic door handles as well. Let's take a closer look at those door handles. The BMW i4 allows for easy access inside the vehicle, whereas the Tesla door handles are unusual to say the least. The BMW i4 features a practical and spacious cargo compartment. Let's take a look in back by using the car's kick to open, kick to close feature. The i4's hatchback design allows for easy transportation of taller objects that may not fit in a traditional sedan. To close the cargo compartment, there is, of course, a physical button. Moving over to the back of the Tesla, we'll have to use the trunk's manual release to access the cargo compartment. With its traditional trunk design, you may have a challenge fitting taller objects in the back of the Model 3. One of the biggest differences between the two cars is, of course, the way they drive, and that's something that you'll need to experience on your own. Feel free to give me, Nolan Risse, a call to schedule a hassle-free test drive at your earliest convenience.